Hey. Imagine a world where we did not stay sick, where pain was a teacher, not a trick, where love was the doctor, truth was the cure, and healing came from roots that endure. Imagine a world where the sun still shines, where herbs and hearts align, where no one dies before their time, because we learn to listen inside. Every seed holds the code to repair, just like you, the blueprint's there. No more debts, no prescriptions to bear, just belief and care. Imagine empty hospitals, imagine healthy children laugh, imagine a garden waiting for you to remember the power you always had. Yes, you can heal yourself. Nature's calling back to health. Imagine that. No tithes or offerings for your soul's release. No price tag on inner peace. You're not an experiment. Don't let him define what's already perfect by design. The answers ain't hiding in a white coat's plan. They're growing in the palm of your hand. Learn your rhythm, your body's song. The melody was inside all along. Healthcare is self-care. The garden right there. Every breath, every tear, it's all repair. So listen close, your heart will teach. Healing is the truth we breathe. Imagine a world without fear or pills, where joy itself can heal. Imagine our people rising still. Pure love, pure light, that's real. The garden is waiting.